Mix water with vinegar in toilet paper. Now that I've found out, I'm sharing with everyone. To start our recipe today, first in a container, I will add 200 milliliters of water. And then I will add the main ingredient for this tip, vinegar. I will also use 150 milliliters. You will surely thank me for this tip. You will never use toilet paper in another way. Finally, I will add flavoring environments. This one I'm using is lavender aroma. The ideal amount is 3 tablespoons, and then I will mix well. Remember that you can use the aroma of your choice. He is responsible for bringing the smell of clean home in places you use. And now finally, I will use a roll of toilet paper. I will fold the toilet paper this way, so it will facilitate to remove the internal roll. Then I will remove the roll. We will use only the paper, and we will first take the inner part, so it is necessary to remove the roll. And once it's removed, it'll look like this. Next, we will need a container with a size similar to that of toilet paper. If the container has a lid, it will make it easier to reserve in addition to keeping the aroma active longer. Practical recipe for cleaning. For sure you will thank me for this advice. Now I will put the mixture in the central part, only what is necessary for all the toilet paper to absorb from the liquid. And then it is only necessary to reserve for some time until fully absorbed. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Maryland Foray, Louisiana. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I'm sure that cleaning the surfaces of your home will be much more practical and efficient with this use of toilet paper. For use, it is only necessary to remove a small amount of toilet paper, and with ease I can remove any dirt from all the furniture in my house. Just this small amount is enough to remove dirt and stains from any furniture and surface in your home. You can even prepare this mixture more than once, and also use another aroma for furniture from different rooms in your home. Surely you will be surprised with this tip. I'm sure it will help in your daily cleaning. I appreciate you have watched this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.